Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm gonna give you a rich person credit secret. Balance transfer credit cards. What are they? Maybe you know what this is, maybe you don't. But it doesn't matter if you do or don't. I'm gonna share my opinion of what they are. You can do your own due diligence. I'm not your credit person. Don't litigate me. But let's get right to it. So balance transfer credit card. What it essentially is, just like the name stipulates, balance transfer. It's when you have debt that you already have in a different account. Maybe it's a credit card. Maybe it's a home loan. Maybe it's a car loan, whatever the case is, some type of other debt that you have. This credit card typically will allow you to transfer that balance of, say, a car loan, auto loan, home loan, some type of financing, personal loan, credit card, to your new credit card, and it typically supposed to give you an intro APR of 0%. So what does this mean? You remember, when banks rent money to you, remember, you're the renter, they're charging interest for borrowing the money to be paid at a future date. So you're paying a spread. Sometimes the spread might be 4.2%, maybe 5.2%, maybe higher, maybe lower. The credit card does a balance transfer, gives you a 0% introductory APR, usually maybe for 12 months, 15 months, 21 months. I've even seen as high as 33 months. And what this means is you don't have to pay any interest, but it transfers the debt to your credit card. This is usually very beneficial to save you hundreds, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars on future interest, depending on what your debt is. Very important to consider this, do your own due diligence, but that's what, simply in a nutshell, I'm sharing my opinion and what I've learned, but you do your own due diligence. That's what a balance transfer credit card is and what it can do for you and the value of it. Anyway, hope you learned something. If you found value in this video, leave some comments below. And if you have any questions, leave some comments below. And do you believe in this strategy? Do you not believe in this strategy? Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel if you found value in it. Conrad Layn out.